air fryer has revolutionised the way we fry our foods. It's a healthier way of frying. Can you imagine frying all of this food in never more than 1 tablespoon of oil? Well, now you can. So whether it's fresh, whether it's store-bought, or whether it's frozen, it can be put in the air fryer and the results are incredible. I'm going to roast this whole family-sized fresh chicken and some potatoes in only half an hour. Half an hour compared to about an hour and 20 minutes in a traditional oven. Quite amazing. Now let's get this family-sized chicken on. So all we need to do is open up the drawer, pop the chicken in. I'm going to add some roast potatoes as well. Now with the potatoes, there's no natural fat or oil in potatoes, so I'm going to add a little bit of oil, stir them around in the bowl and fry them up with that beautiful roast chicken. It's a set and forget machine, so press and it's cooking. And now the roast chicken is done. In only 30 minutes, we've roasted this beautiful family-sized chicken and roast potatoes. Beautiful, moist, succulent roast chicken. I'm not even using a carving knife because the meat is so tender and so moist because it's been air fried. Is another one of those all-time family favourites, but we want the crackling really crackling along with that really moist, soft centre. In 25 minutes you can achieve a beautiful result in the Philips Airfryer. Done. And now for that crispy skinned, succulent pork belly. The skin is crispy and crunchy and the meat will be tender and juicy. Absolutely beautiful. Hear the crunch of that pork and have a look at the tenderness of that meat. So whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even party snacks, so many things can be cooked up in the Philips Airfryer. We're going to do this prosciutto wrapped asparagus and halloumi in the air fryer. Now with the halloumi, we don't want it dripping through that basket, so we're going to use a little piece of baking paper to make sure that it all stays together. Baking paper is very safe to use in the air fryer. You can use glass, Pyrex, any type of bakeware that would normally go into an oven can go into the air fryer. Pop the halloumi in, pop the asparagus in, 6 minutes later, it'll be done. And for that delicious prosciutto wrapped asparagus and fried halloumi, air fried halloumi, it was done perfectly in just minutes. And now throw that baking paper away and enjoy. Cooking saucier type foods, you can actually use this Philips baking dish accessory. It's fabulous for keeping all the juices and all the flavours into those saucier dishes like these garlic and cashew prawns. Fresh prawns, a little bit of garlic, a teaspoon of oil, some fresh herbs and some cashews. Straight into the air fryer, 8 minutes later, dinner's done. For the garlic prawns that were cooked in the baking dish, to retain all of the juices and all of the flavour in the baking dish, it's simple. And now for the perfect steak. People have tried for years and years to perfect the cooking technique with steak. Leave the fat on because the oils will drip through and fry the fat in its own natural state. For a medium cooked steak, place them in the air fryer for 10 minutes and they will be absolutely cooked to perfection.